This setup has been done in Pune by Deepa Aquarium. These are the benefits for Dr. Fishpa. And this beautiful chair and this whole setup has been done by Deepa Aquarium in G Mall, Pune. We had given them complete setup. Only client have to just start the fish pedicure business. These two chair setup had been done by Deepa Aquarium. Very beautiful chair, very good quality. And we are the only company in India who gives the warranty on fish pedicure setup. And we can do fish pedicure setups in India, Nepal, Sri Lanka and Bangladesh also. We can do the setup of fish pedicure. So if you are interested in doing fish pedicure setup anywhere in India or in abroad also, you can contact Deepa Aquarium. We can do a very good setup all over India, all over world also. Content, we have a proper permission from your foreign country. So you can see my hands are very dry. So I am now putting in fish tank. You can see in how many seconds the fishes are coming. You can comment also. See, within 10 seconds all the fishes had been coming to my hand. See, very good. Lights are also changing. We can have a particular light also, but this client want to have changing light. Very beautiful lights we have put. You can have different colors which you want in it. See how fast fishes are coming. So like this we are having wheels also on our chair. This is wheel. So it is easily movable from one place to another or going for any events. Like these two stools are given for clients to easily get up and sit on this chair. We are giving the proper setup. Only client have to start this business anywhere in India or abroad also. And it is really highly profitable business. Almost 30,000 to 70,000, 50,000 you can say profit is easily taken by any client. See, if average 20 people also come to your place, if you start 100 rupees also, then it's 2,000 rupees per day, almost 60,000 rupees per month. That we are putting very less amount, 20 people. So this client may earn almost 25 to 30,000 profit every month. One-time investment, 4-month warranty is given in whole setup. On fishes also we are giving 4 months warranty. On electronic products also we are giving 4 months warranty. Plus we are giving warranty on food, medicines also.